Hey everybody, welcome back to the Water Damage Restoration channel. Today we're going to talk about how we measure the moisture level in the air. We use what's called a thermo-hygrometer. The thermo-hygrometer gives us two basic readings. It gives us the temperature and the relative humidity. It sounds complicated, but it's really pretty simple. You just have the two readings. You just have the relative humidity and you have the temperature. Now, again, if you're going to be out there doing these jobs professionally, you need to go get trained by IICRC and let them show you how to use the temperature and the relative humidity to determine the actual humidity or the specific humidity in the room. We're not going to go into their copyrighted material. All you need to know, even if you're doing your jobs on your own, all you need to do is to keep your temperature, your room temperature, try to keep it constant, and then watch the relative humidity. If the relative humidity goes down, that's good. If the relative humidity goes up, you don't have enough dehumidifiers on the job. If it stays the same, that's called a balanced drying system. But you want to keep your eye on it, and you want that relative humidity headed down. If you tried to do one of these jobs without one of these, it's very possible that the relative humidity in the room could be higher than 55 or 60%, which means you're going to be having mold growing in the house while you're trying to dry the job. Also, if your dehumidifier is not working properly, you're not going to know it. But if you have this thing right here, you can keep an eye on your dehumidifiers to make sure that you've got the proper dehumidification going on in the house. You have enough dehumidifiers and you're pulling enough moisture out of that air so that you have the desirable amount of relative humidity inside that house while you're drying. A thermo-hygrometer is really pretty simple to use, just like the protometer. All you have to do is turn it on and then select whether you want the temperature setting or you want the relative humidity setting. The cheaper thermo-hygrometers, they won't adjust to the temperature or relative humidity near as fast as these more expensive ones, like this one right here. This one runs about $700. Now, we do use simple, cheap thermo-hygrometers and leave them on the job, but we will calibrate them with this one before we leave it on the job. And that about does it for today, folks. Again, thanks for watching the show, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.